to get fluency while speaking English language. Friends, this is the topic I have selected for my video today, and in today's video I will be sharing with you very simple and easy steps. And friends, I'm 100% sure that if you follow those steps, so definitely within couple of months you will start speaking this language, on condition that you have to follow genuinely. You have to keep patience with yourself and consistently you have to practice. So without getting any delay, let's get into the video. My name is Janu Mathur and I welcome you to my channel, Anushree English channel. Friends, I hope you are all doing great and you are learning this language in a very fantastic way. Friends, first of all, what things you have to do in order to speak this language very fluently, you have to inculcate the habit of listening. Okay, because when I was a beginner and I did not know how to speak this language, in my initial stage I just followed this step. I started listening something. Okay, so inculcate the habit of listening. Surround yourself with English content. The more you listen, the more confidence, the more fluency you will get, because everybody knows that listening impacts a lot. 99% language we speak only by listening, you know very well. If you listen more, so definitely you will capture the things very easily, because the thing which we listen again and again, our mind capture very fast, and that thing sit up fix in our mind. And when we get like that kind of opportunity to speak, we just start speaking automatically and we get surprised like, oh my god, we are speaking and we spoke in a very great way. That's why friends, I'm telling you, just inculcate the habit of listening. Okay, and according your level, like what's your level? If you are like beginner, so select something like you can understand. Just select the thing to listen which you can understand. Don't listen anything. If you are listening something and you are not understanding, so what is the use of listening? I'm telling you friends, if you are like a beginner, so just start listening story, like story of elephant, story of rat, crocodile story. There are so many simple and easy stories, so you can select one of them and you can listen that story. And friends, don't switch on to another story. If you are listening one story, so don't switch on the another story. Just I would suggest you like listen one story 9 to 10 times until it becomes a part of your memory, because if you listen one story again and again, you will get to know like so many vocabulary and content, and you will learn a lot of things, okay, regarding English language. That's why I'm telling you, don't switch on to the another story. Like if you select one story, so read that story, listen that story. I think next 20 to 25 days, if you do this kind of activity, so definitely you will see changes yourself. I follow this thing. Even nowadays, whatever I listen, okay, if I listen someone speech, if I listen someone YouTuber speech, so I listen like 5 to 6 times same speech until and unless I understand all the things which we listen. Okay, and what I notice, like whenever I listen something, I get so many vocabularies, new vocabulary which I don't know. So friends, if you really want to speak this language and if you want to get fluency in this language, so you have to listen a lot. Just surround yourself with English content, okay, and listen audio. You can listen audio story, podcast, okay, any celebrity speech, any any YouTuber speech, but according your level, according your understanding level. Okay, what you understand, just switch on that thing. Don't listen like which is beyond your understanding, so that if you select something which if you are not understanding, so that thing is not going to help you, it will not work. Only the thing which will work for you, if that is up to your understanding level. That's why select anything which is according your understanding level. And you can do one another thing, while listening you can pause the video, and you can copy of speaking. If I talk about me, whenever I listen something, so I just listen like one line, two lines, and I pause the video and I try to speak. So same thing you have to follow. If you are learning something, if you are learning a language, so you have to copy. Like you have to practice of speaking. So you have to practice of speaking, because if you think you will listen and you will not speak, so this is not going to help you. I'm Friends, I'm sharing my own experience. Actually, when I did not know how to speak in this language, so in my initial stage I did not speak. I only listened. So I think I was not getting benefited. But the day I started listening and speaking simultaneously, so I saw miracle. I saw yes, this activity, this thing is really helping me. So same thing you have to do. If you really want to become a fluent speaker, if you want to get fluency, so while listening you have to practice of speaking. I have seen there are so many people, they focus only on speaking. They say start speaking, practice of speaking, okay, from morning to evening they just practice of speaking. But friends, I'm telling you, how will you realize you are speaking in a correct way or not? It is rightly said that practice makes a man perfect. But friends, you should know your practice is in correct way, in correct direction or not. So if you are listening something, so you have to practice. It is very compulsory. It's a very